flew a private jet for a year. The owner said, listen, we are going to buy a global, and he sent me for a global type rating, and the global never came. And 3 months later, he also sold his airplane. And all of a sudden, as lucky as I were during COVID finding a job, I also lost that job very quickly. Well, basically after a year. And then I thought, okay, how the hell am I going to find a job now? Okay. Then I thought, okay, I have to submit my CV at every single recruitment agency that's available. I have to join all 10,255 WhatsApp groups. By the way, all of the same people is on the same groups anyway, so I don't know why there's so many. And I thought, no ways, there must be a better way. You have Tinder who matches people. Why can't we have a platform that matches your skill, your personal wants, with a job or the company that's looking for someone exactly like you? Okay.